Hello, uh, I'm Rahul, and today is our topic role of technology in Indian agriculture. So we know that agriculture is the backbone of the Indian economy, and it's providing livelihood to a large portion of the population. Over the years, the role of technology in Indian agriculture has become increasingly important in addressing the challenges of low productivity, climate change, and limited resources. With the integration of modern tools and innovations, technology is reshaping the way farming is practiced in India. One of the key contribution of technology is in the area of uh, uh, precision farming. Through the use of GPS, drones, and sensors, farmers can now monitor soil health, crop growth, and water level with great accuracy. These tools help in efficient use of resources like water, fertilizers, and pesticides, leading to better yields and reduce costs. Smart irrigation system and improved machinery such as tractors and harvesters also reduce the need for manual labor, making farming faster and more efficient. Another major impact of technology is in the providing access to timely information. Mobile applications and online platform offer farmers real time update on weather forecasts, market prices, and government schemes. Platforms like eNAM, National Agriculture Market, connect farmers directly directly to buyers, ensuring fair prices for their produce. Digital payments and online banking further enable farmers to access credit and subsidies easily, improving their financial security. Uh, and Technology has also played a vital role in a crop in improvement. Biotechnology has lead to the development of high yield, pest resistant, and climate resilient crops. These innovations help farmers adapt to changing environmental condition and increase food production. Furthermore, educational platforms and videos tutorial are helping farmers learn modern techniques and best practices from the comfort of their homes. So, at the end, we conclude that technology is bringing a silent revolution in Indian agriculture. It has not only the increased productivity but also empowered farmers with knowledge, tools, and better market access. While challenges such as digital illiteracy and infrastructure gaps remain, the future of Indian agriculture looks promising with uh, continued continued support and innovations. Uh, Embracing technology is the key to making agriculture sustainable and profitable for the our next generation. Thank you.